Hello everyone, welcome back and thank you for watching. If you're new here, my name is Maria and in today's video I have 3 DIYs. These can be used all year round and they were so easy and so inexpensive to make. I did use mostly Dollar Tree items. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you do, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe and hit the bell button so you can get notified every time I upload. With that being said, now let's craft. I'm going to start off with this Dollar Tree decor sign. I love these because they already come with the frame. I am going to remove it though so I can stain them. I have seen others remove this so easily. Mine were like really glued. As I was removing the frame, the paper started tearing, so I just took the whole thing off. I'm going to use the back, so I did remove the hanger, and this hanger was with staples, so I had to remove those too. To paint the frame, I'm going to use the antique wax and some black paint. I'm going to make a little mixture. I do want the stain to be dark. I went back with a napkin to remove some paint off, and you can now see a lot of the texture of these frames, and I think it looks so pretty. While this is drying, I'm going to work on the calendar, and I'm using the 2021 Simply Blessed calendar from Dollar Tree. I will be using the month of August, or actually whatever's in the back of the month of August. This says bless our nest. I did get this calendar sent to me by a sweet subscriber. I don't know if Dollar Tree is still carrying these, but the artist does have an Etsy. There is 2 ways you can put this, vertical or horizontal. They both fit the same. I'm going to do mine vertical. There's a little bit of extra paper on the sides, but I'm going to just press it down and it's gonna crease. And like that, I'm gonna know where I need to cut. Now to glue this, I will be using my Elmer's glue stick. After putting the frame, it didn't cover the hole at the top. It only did a little bit. So what I decided to do was just cut a piece of paper and glue it to the back. This is gonna work as a little patch. The next thing I will be doing is just gluing the sides back on. And I do measure the bottom one just so I know it's in the center. And you can leave it like this, but I decided to add some Boxwood Greenery. This pick is from Walmart. I am going to cut 2 stems off. I am also doing a bow using this beautiful burlap ribbon. This is from Dollar General. It was like $2. I know Dollar Tree carries burlap ribbon that you can use instead. I'm going to tie this, and I use a string long enough to where there is some extra. So like that, I can add the Boxwood Greenery to the back. I'm doing the fishtail cut at the ends, and after that, that is it for this DIY. I think this turned out beautiful. You can add a hanger if you want to hang this. I just chose not to. For my next DIY, I will be using one of these hearts. This is from Dollar Tree. Using a Dollar Tree Senshi, I'm going to remove a little bit of the glitter from the front. I didn't remove everything because it is pretty hard, but I just wanted to remove enough to where if I'm using it, it's not going to get all over my fingers or my hands. The next thing I will be doing is just painting the top using this apple barrel acrylic paint in Ivy Green. I didn't paint this perfect. I did only give it one coat of paint. Now I'm going to use the Waverly Antique Wax to paint the sides. I will be using the same Boxwood Greenery pick that I used in my first DIY. Now for this one, I am going to remove all the smaller little stems off, and I'm going to cut these. You can get 6 of these little ones from one stem. Now I'm going to glue all of the little stems inside the heart. And that is it for this DIY. I think it turned out beautiful, and the best part is that you can use this all year round. For my next DIY, I'm going to use this home decor sign. This is from Dollar Tree, and some Boxwood Greenery. I'm going to start off by removing the tag from this decor sign. You can leave it or not. I chose to remove it because I am going to put this on top of my haul tree. To paint this, I made the mixture of black paint and a little bit of the antique wax. I wanted to stain this to make it look like my first DIY, but it was a little bit darker, so I did have to go with a piece of paper to remove some of the extra paint. I also painted the heart green. The next thing I did was just cut some stems from the Boxwood Greenery, just like I did in my second DIY. The last thing I did was just glue all the little stems on the heart. And that is it for this DIY. I think this was so easy and simple to do, but yeah, it looks so high end, and you can use this all year round. And that is it, guys. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Let me know down in the comment section which one was your favorite. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, bye.